Now this is a great hack, the clean white backgrounds hack. If you're listing on Amazon.com, it's important to know that Amazon prefers clean white backgrounds for all of their product shots. So you can't have a dark background or like a dark blue background. They want all white backgrounds. And by the way, eBay is moving to this standard as well. So what's an easy way to turn this background here into a clean white background? Well, you use this tool at photofuse.com. It's Fotofuze.com. Visit that website and you can basically work with your image there to turn it into a clean white background. It's a very simple tool, and you actually upload your image and then you kind of work your way, click and drag all around the image, and then it'll turn all of that white. You can click in here with the cursor and it'll turn that white as well. So that's another little helpful hack that you can use at photofuse.com.